Imagine massive walls of ice creeping silently ashore, crushing homes, destroying property, and terrifying residents. Ice tsunamis, or ice shoves, occur when powerful winds drive lake or ocean ice onto land with unstoppable force. Entire towns have watched helplessly as giant ice waves obliterated everything in their path. With climate change causing unpredictable weather, ice tsunamis are becoming more frequent and intense. Could your community be at risk? Explore one of nature's strangest and most destructive phenomena and discover how ice tsunamis might reshape coastal life forever.